Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of pets and their reactions to unusual noises. Ever notice how a vacuum cleaner sends dogs into a frenzy? They think it's a monster. Cats, on the other hand, often freeze, wide-eyed as if contemplating their next move. Then there are those quirky moments when a simple doorbell sends them into a barking spree or a curious head tilt. Each reaction reveals so much about their instincts and personalities. It's like a little window into their minds, showing us how they interpret the world around them. Observing these moments not only entertains us, but also helps us understand our furry friends better.